All right, guys, so you're going to take Unit C test, read aloud. This test allows you to be able to go back to the questions based on the slide that you have. So press play. There'll be some time to pause if necessary. So you can pause the video and then you can hit play again when you're ready for the next test question. Again, all your test questions are on slides, so you just go back to the slide for it to read to you. Okay? Question number 1. How can urbanization affect a local area? How can urbanization affect a local area? A, it can increase the number of invasive species in the area. B, it can decrease the risk of water pollution in the area. C, it can increase the risk of flooding in the area. Or D, it can decrease the need for natural resources in the area. Question 2. The following graph represents how a human-induced process is affecting the overall composition of the atmosphere. Which of the following could potentially create the above trend? A, deforestation. B, hydrofracking. C, urbanization. Or D, agriculture. Number 3, how can agriculture negatively impact the environment? How can agriculture negatively impact the environment? A, it releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. B, farmers use fertilizers and pesticides, which can contaminate rivers and streams. C, it can increase the amount of flooding. Or D, agriculture reduces the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. Number 4, which strategy would most effectively reduce the amount of carbon dioxide generated by power plants? Which strategy would most effectively reduce the amount of carbon dioxide generated by power plants? A, to remove sulfur from coal. B, to stop generating electricity from nuclear energy. C, to reduce the amount of natural gas used to generate energy. Or D, to capture carbon dioxide emissions for storage in deep mines and wells. Question 5. Which of the following statements is true about the picture below? Which of the following statements is true about the picture below? Okay, actually in the slide right now it's above. A, the picture represents hydrofracking and it increases the flow of natural gas. B, the picture represents coal mining and it reduces the amount of surface disruption. C, the picture represents oil drilling and it can prevent an oil spill. Or D, the picture represents uranium mining and it reduces the risk of radiation sickness. 6. What natural resource is commonly obtained by surface mining? Which natural resource is commonly obtained by surface mining? A, oil. B, natural gas. C, wood. Or D, coal. Number 7, which would most likely cause a reduction in the amount of coal and natural gas on Earth? Which would most likely cause a reduction in the amount of coal and natural gas on Earth? A, an increase in the amount of atmospheric pollution. B, an increase in the amount of people on Earth. C, a decrease in the amount of water in Earth's aquifers. Or D, a decrease in the amount of rainforest on Earth. All right, number 8. What is a major impact of using wood as an energy resource? What is a major impact of using wood as an energy resource? A, wood resources are non-renewable. B, using wood resources as fuel releases large amounts of methane gas. C, using wood resources leads to deforestation and habitat destruction. Or D, using wood releases more toxins into the environment than other biomass fuels. Number 9. What is a major disadvantage of the following alternative energy method? What is a major disadvantage of the following alternative energy method? A, it can only be done near the coast. B, it gives off excessive pollution. C, it can only be done near a plate boundary, or D, it produces radioactive waste. Number 10. Which of the following energy methods is the most efficient and the most reliable? Which of the following energy methods is the most efficient and the most reliable? A, solar, B, wind, C, oil, or D, geothermal. Number 11. In the diagram above, where would the best place to build a geothermal plant? In the diagram below, where would be the best place to build a geothermal plant? A, location A, B, location B, C, location C, or D, location D. Number 12. What is the advantage of using uranium as an energy source rather than coal? What is an advantage of using uranium as an energy source rather than coal? A, uranium does not pollute the atmosphere while coal does. B, uranium reduces thermal pollution while coal increases it. C, uranium is more cost efficient than coal. Or D, it is easier to extract uranium from the lithosphere. Number 13. What alternate energy method converts sunlight into energy? What alternate energy method converts sunlight into energy? A, biofuel, B, solar, C, nuclear, or D, geothermal. 14. Choose the alternate energy technology that is best suited for a given region of North Carolina. Choose the alternate energy technology that is best suited for a given region of North Carolina. A, solar energy in the Appalachian Mountains due to higher altitude. B, hydroelectric energy in the Catawba River due to moving water. C, geothermal energy in geothermal energy in the Piedmont due to changes inside the Earth's crust. Or D, wind energy in the Piedmont due to constant high wind. 15. Which of the following alternate energy methods is not done in North Carolina? Which of the following alternate energy methods is not done in North Carolina? A, geothermal energy, B, nuclear energy, C, solar energy, or D, wind energy. 16. Today, why are fossil fuels more commonly utilized than alternate energy? Today, why are fossil fuels more commonly utilized than alternate energy? A, alternate energy methods have a specific disadvantage, which make them less efficient. B, alternate energy methods are more harmful to the environment. C, alternate energy methods are extremely dangerous and present health risks to workers. Or D, resources for alternate energy methods are non-renewable. Number 17. Why should the farming industry adopt sustainable agricultural practices? Why should the farming industry adopt sustainable agricultural practices? A, to increase the use of irrigation systems. B, to increase the number of non-point sources of pollution. C, to increase the amount of erosion and degradation. Or D, to reduce the environmental degradation. Number 18. Which change would best aid a farmer in making the transition from traditional farming to sustainable farming? What change would best aid a farmer in making the transition from traditional farming to sustainable farming? A, reduce the ratio of essential elements in the fertilizer. B, irrigate the crops using well water. C, rotate the types of crops given. Or D, plant only genetically modified crops. 19. Which is a farming technique that could improve the soil quality and the environment? Which is a farming technique that could improve the soil quality and the environment? A, using fueled machines that will turn the soil continuously. B, creating undisturbed layers of mulch in the soil. C, placing inorganic chemical fertilizers in the soil. Or D, irrigating the soil with salty water. Number 20. Which agricultural technique is the least economically sustainable? Which agricultural technique is the least economically sustainable? A, using reduced or no tilling of soil. B, using manure to fertilize soil. C, cultivating only one species of plant on each farm. Or D, rotating different crops or livestock on a plot of land. Number 21, what is most likely to happen at the following plate boundary? What is most likely to happen at the following plate boundary? A, earthquake. B, volcano. C, deep sea trench. Or D, mid-ocean ridge. 22, which of the following is not a mechanism for plate movement? A, convection. B, ridge push. C, slab pull. Or D, subduction. 23, what is most likely to occur at the mid-ocean ridge in the map below? What is most likely to occur at the mid-ocean ridge in the map below? A, landslides. B, subduction. C, volcanic activity. Or D, weathering and erosion. 24, which volcanic hazard is capable of altering the climate by blocking out the sun? Which volcanic hazard is capable of altering the climate by blocking out the sun? A, lahar. B, lava flow. C, earthquakes. Or D, ash. 25, which of the following landforms is most likely going to form as a result of a change in sea level? Which of the following landforms is most likely going to form as a result of a change in sea level? A, the Appalachian Mountains. B, the Outer Banks. C, the Yadkin Pd River. Or D, Piedmont.